Making money online could not be any easier than what I'm about to show you. Hey guys, my name is Trevor McCollum and welcome back to another video. If you didn't watch the last video of how we got to this point of finding a product, a profitable product, verifying that it actually sells, okay, and then this is the step where we actually build the product page so we can sell our product and dominate all of the competition. All right, so first things first here, we found our product, which is this beach sand mat right here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take a couple of these pictures so we can actually build the product page that we want to build. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go save this one right here. Okay guys, so now that we have these pictures saved, the next thing we want to do is we want to go to this profitable web page right here. If you guys want this page, I will have the link below. You can download it. It's totally free for you guys, okay? So right here at the very top, I want to make this a landing page instead of a little, marketplace, I guess you can say. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete this part right here. And at the very top right here in the title section, we're going to change this title. Okay, so we have this magic beach mat keeps your laying area sand free. Now I think that's okay for a title for now for this video. So what we're going to go ahead and do is if we had a logo, we would go ahead and change the logo right here. And right here at this video, we're going to go ahead and change this video to this one right here, this uploaded sand beach mat. Look at this. Look at this. That is awesome. So we got the beach mat right there showing the actual product. You can put as seen on Amazon.com, as seen on, if it's seen on CBS or whatever. Maybe you had it seen on another YouTube video. You can put this. That's the as seen on area. But if you do not want that, you can go ahead and just delete this out and delete the as seen part out. You can delete this section out. And right here, we can just change this picture to one of these. We can actually we can upload all of the pictures that we have here. So we can go ahead and upload these up. And there we go. We can actually put a picture right here showing the people that the sand clearly does go right through the mat itself. All right. And then as we scroll down here, well, actually, we can just change the words right here for the captions of these pictures here. And what we want to do is we want to scroll up to the top and we can just clearly copy and paste what it says right here. Foldable, easy to bring, durable material in any place. We can actually copy that. We can actually go right back to our web page here and paste those right in. Look at that. Look how easy that is. We can go right back up here. Sand will leak away. We can copy that. And go right back here. Right over here. Paste that in there. And look how easy that is. In this part right here, this is nothing but an image. So we can go ahead and upload an image just like this. Look at that. That's amazing. Beautiful. All right, so we do not have a collection for this. So we are going to go ahead and delete the collection area. So we can go ahead and delete that. We can go ahead and delete that. Listen to these happy customers, all of the happy customers right here. You guys, know how to just simply go ahead and press this setting here and you can change the name of the customer. Any customer that you receive from their feedback from Instagram or Facebook or maybe in the email, you can go ahead and copy and paste what they said and go ahead and put it right here. It's really, really simple. Right here, you can give a 25% off or free shipping or whatever you guys want to be able to do to incentivize, trade in their email for a discount or whatever sort of offer that you might want to offer your customers. Right here, you have the menu, the policy, about us, customer service. Everything here can be fully customizable. Okay. Right here at the very bottom, we can also change this to, whatever the product is. It can be, look at that, magic beach mat. Just like that. Easy peasy, simple. And the greatest thing about this, guys, is that this is actually a web page that you do not have to pay for every month. There is no monthly fee to owning this web page. So that's the last thing I wanted you to worry about, guys, is to be able to sell your product without having to worry about a $27 or a $97 fee. Okay, so this will cost you $0 per month. So we will go ahead and go over here, and since it's coming from AliExpress, we know it takes a while, so we just go ahead and update that to 14-day free shipping. Now for me, I like to leave it red because red grabs the attention of the customer, because red means stop, right? But if you guys want, you can actually come up here and go ahead and go to the ocean blue. If you want to go to ocean blue, we can come down here and change the buttons the same exact way. We can go ahead and go to button design. We can change that to, oh, I'm sorry. Let's go back. We can actually leave that white, and we can go down here and change the button to ocean blue. There we go. We can go down here and do the same exact thing. We can change this, change the button to ocean blue. And now that we done changed this button right here, we are looking pretty good to go. Also, let's go ahead and change the background right here. We're going to change this also to ocean blue, as well as all of these buttons here. Now, as you can see, guys, we have an entire profitable web page already done in just minutes, just like that. Okay, so in the last video, we found our a winning product. Okay, now once you find your winning product, how are you going to stand out from the competition, right? You have to create yourself in a web page, a landing page, if anything, so no customers will get distracted from too many products or from the menu at the top or even a footer at the bottom. And in our case, we actually do have a footer at the bottom. So for all those people who actually want an official landing page, all you have to do is press this trash can right here. Boom, done. Now this has it's turned into a complete landing page. There is nothing at the top distracting customers, no menu, and there's no menu or footer at the very bottom except please buy now, and click this button here, right? And of course you guys can add more copy and whatever you want to, but this is basically what it is. Now the most important thing is to make sure that your landing page or your profitable web page is looking good on mobile. So as we can see here, guys, I already made sure that it does look good on mobile. So all you guys have to do is customize it. Everything else is already done for you. So if we go through the entire web page here, we have the 14-day free tracking, free shipping, excuse me, at the top on all orders. Well, we have your logo here. You guys can change your logo to whatever you want. We have this magic beach mat keeps your laying area sand free. Wow, look at that. Then we actually have the video right there moving. Look at that. Look how cool that is. Look how cool that is. Now this is a video showing you instantly right away, like, holy smokes, this mat is awesome. I need this. And that's what you want your customers to think, like, yo, I really need this right now. That's when you can make your offers and everything right there as they scroll down on the web page, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause that. We have the button right here that says get yours now. Of course it can say, buy now, right? Oh, I'm sorry. Let's put that in all caps. We can actually say buy now, right? And if we go to the design, we can actually go to the button. And as you can see, these little 2 arrows right here on the side, we can actually turn that into icons if you want to turn it into icons. Let's see if they have an ocean icon. Look at that. We got the water. Look at that. Buy yours now with the water next to it, right? Or let's see if we have any waves. Oh, nope, not that. That's not a wave. Let's see if we have any beach, right? Look at that. Look at that. Buy yours now with the little beach umbrella. That's amazing, guys, right? This is all of the many things you can do with this web page. So as we scroll down here, we see we have the title, we have the video, we have the button that says buy now. We actually have an image that's clearly showing the sand going right through the mat. Foldable, easy to bring, durable material that can suit in any place. That's great. That sounds really good. It is another learn more button. Look at this. Okay, so right here we have to edit this. How's that? That looks good right there. Beautiful. So as we scroll back up, we can see foldable, easy to bring, durable material any place, will be easy to clean. No need to worry about your clothes or foods getting sandy anymore. Of course, you guys can put a little description under there. You have another button, right? 3 colors to choose from. Look at that. It's beautiful. Go ahead and fix that. Bright and beautiful. Look at that. People laying on the sand. It clearly shows again the sand is there, it's going away, and now it's completely gone. Listen to these happy customers as they scroll down. Get your 25% off and press the big subscribe button. And listen, that's how easy it is, guys, to create a profitable web page. Once again, the link is in the description down below if you guys want to completely turn this web page into whatever of a web page that you want for your winning product, guys. This goes for affiliate marketing, coaching, info products, physical products, anything you can think of. You can actually completely drag and drop this entire web page. Now, of course, you need Divi in order to be able to use the profitable web page. But once you guys have that, this web page is already done for you guys. So go ahead and click the link down below and get yourself this profitable web page. Okay, guys. So thank you guys for watching. Once again, I'm Trevor McCollum. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section if this video helped you out. Also, remember, guys, that this is a 0 monthly fee web page. So once you create your product, you ain't got to worry about $27 or $97 or nothing like that a month. All you got to do is worry about it is selling your product. Okay. So thank you guys for watching. Peace out. And I'm going to holler at you guys later.